Hey, what's up guys? Imran here, Monster Gadgets. I hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you might be. Thank you so much for joining me. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing, setting up, and testing out these very unique, massive earphones. Well, they don't exactly go in your ear, as you can tell. These are actually desktop speakers that are 6 times larger than what a typical earphone or earbud would be. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Alright guys, welcome back. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, first of all, this box is absolutely massive. This is what it actually comes in. I almost can't even get this in frame the way I have my studio set up here. This is probably one of the bigger boxes I've ever unboxed or any product. But these are, again, 6 times larger than a normal earphone would be. So these are massive. In full disclosure, this product is by a company called Elecom. They did reach out to me and wanted me to test, unbox, and set up this product. So this is a sponsored video. But if you watch any of my other videos, anything that I share is strictly my opinion. Elecom has absolutely not in any way or form influenced me to say things or not say things. This is my personal opinion on this product itself. So Elecom, thank you so much for sending this out to me. I appreciate it. But guys, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Here we go. I'm not even sure if I can do this sitting down, so I'm gonna kind of stand up here and probably put this up a little bit so you guys can see me. There we go. And then I'll use my overhead cam so you guys can see the actual product. But let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up from the top here. All right, so first, before I open this up, let's take a look at the box. You've got passive radiant system. It's got the model number here, the EL001CGD. Playful design and serious sound. That's right. Headphones, shaped speakers, frequency response, 52mm full range driver. The side is just a design. The back, it tells you Elecom headphone shaped speakers, and it gives you a visual of what the speakers actually look like. This is a Japanese company, I believe, so they do have this in a different language. I wish they would have put this in English so we can see what it actually all says on here, but all I know is it says USB Type-C. But outside of that, everything else is in different language. Same thing with the side. You've got some disclosures here. It's got a 3.5mm jack. But all right, let's go ahead and open this up. Blank box. Let's open this up. And I need more space. This thing is massive, man. Alright, I'm gonna use it this way. This way. So we've got instructions taped to the top here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this top portion off. Holy cow, this thing is massive. They weren't kidding. These are huge. Holy cow. Alright, let me take this out. This box. Looks like we've got some stands here on the side. Pull those out. Put that aside. Let's go ahead and move this massive box aside. Alright, so we've got the stands. And I gotta take it out of this box. There we go. Freaking 30 minutes later. Alright, now let me put my camera back down so you guys can actually see me here. Alright. Let's take a look at this now, since we've got it out of the box finally. So, the way to use this is you look for the right. It says right there, that is the right earphone. This goes on this side, this goes on this side, and this is how you rock it. No, I'm joking. So This is what they look like. These are actually look like they are about 6 times larger. They look like normal earphones. Here's a closer look at it. Here's the name of the company, Elecom. These look pretty cool. I mean, they look like they're built out of good material. I like the finish on it. I personally am not a gold person, so I wish this was more like silver or matte black or something like that. But overall, I think these look pretty decent. And it looks like these basically sit on the stand like this within the groove. Let's see. You take the stand, and the stand goes something like that. So that way it's sitting onto the stand. The side of it looks like this, and you can have this kind of propped on the table. Let's take a look at these cables. These cables are massive. They're pretty huge. And so you've got one cable coming from each headphone or speaker, and then you've got this massive controller here, which it's got a button on top here, and it looks like a slider for the volume, I'm assuming, here. So this goes up and down, and I'm assuming this is a power button. But let's go ahead and plug this into my laptop. It's got a USB connection here and a 3.5mm jack connection here. So I'm gonna hook this up to FYI, if you are in the market for this or you want to pick one of these up, make sure you've got a USB Type-C cable available. For now, I'm actually going to take my MacBook charger and put this in here, because that is a USB Type-C. I'm going to go ahead and put my 3.5mm jack adapter or 3.5mm connection into my laptop here. Let's take a look at this. I'm going to go ahead and hit the power button. That turns on. Volume up and down is from here. Let me go ahead and play a tune real quick. That way we can see what these actually sound like. All right. All right, that is a preview of what they actually sound like. Let's take a look at the specs for these real quick. By Elecom, this is sold on Amazon. These currently go for $229.99, and they do have a coupon available that you can use for $60 off. And so this all started out as a true story. I guess at Elecom, they were kind of messing around with unique ideas to come up with styles and things like that. Someone recommended blowing up headphones or earphones, and bam, there they go. They made it, which I think is really cool. Again, I think it gives it a really nice, unique look to it. So again, I think overall, my first impression, my first test of these is they sound decent. They are not, you're not, with these speakers, you're not going for like the best sound possible like you would with, for example, Bose or some other companies that have been in this space for a while. But if you're looking for decent sound, you're looking for a unique look, you want to add maybe a little bit more flavor to your setting, whether it's a bookshelf or a background or a desktop or whatever it might be, these certainly do look cool sitting on the side of the desk or sitting on a bookshelf or something like that. So you get great sound out of it. You get the aesthetic look out of it as well. So I think these are pretty cool. Now, do I see myself spending $250 to buy these for myself? My personal opinion, no. I think maybe around the $150 price mark would be more realistic, which of course with this coupon will kind of put you in that ballpark. So if you do want to pick these up, I will leave the link in the description below. Go check them out, and you can certainly use that $60 off and apply that coupon to get it for around $170, $180. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this product. If you see yourself buying these or not, and if so, why, and if not, why. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.